Okay, so here we go. This is an order from Missouri Quilt. Isn't this cute? Flat chuck. Okay, so this order is, I've got 2 of the bee ginghams. This is Riley Blake Designs, and of course this is Lori Holt. Yeah, so I got 2 of those, and I ordered 2 of them because you can make 2 fabric baskets with 2 fat quarters, and I wanted to be able to make like 4 because I love gingham paper and I love gingham fabric. So I got 2 of those, and then I got another white jelly roll for a baby quilt that I'm working on. Okay, so that wraps up this box opening. Thanks so much. Have a great day.